So Daniel, you've had the car for a little while now. What's it like to live with something like that?
Well, it's been pretty awesome. I mean, obviously having a turnkey car that's all done, you know, it's been awesome just taking it out, driving it. The coolest thing was just getting it featured on Super Street recently. You guys
cover,
saw,
right?
Yeah, it's cover.
Yeah, that's incredible.
You know, I grew up building cars, and I've built probably over a dozen cars that have been featured in magazines, but I mean, the last thing I would have ever thought is that a 70s era car, a
Right.
Z, would ever be like worthy of a cover feature, especially on Super Street.
Yeah.
And it seems
yeah.
like, I mean, people, again, I don't know what it is, but people are starting to really appreciate and start to respect the nostalgic Japanese cars the way we do American muscle cars.
Seems like the mass market is finally starting to kind of see what we see, and they're not being seen as like throwaway junkyard cars anymore. You know, it's nice to see like a properly built Datsun.
Yeah.
You know, and to have a car in SEMA that we built together is absolutely incredible. But
Yeah.
to have it in, you know, the original JDM oil booth. You
Yeah.
know, ENEOS Oil is the largest manufacturer of oil in Japan. Is you know, just icing on the top. I mean, how could you ask for a better sponsor for that car?
Exactly, like, right? A JDM Legends build, a real JDM car, right? Or a tribute car in the best JDM oil booth. I think that's like a perfect fit.
Pinch me, Daniel.